Hi there. I am fond of GTA Vice City like you all, and sometimes we face the issue of mouse not working in the game. Today we will easily solve the problem without any complicated steps. Just by a simple file copy-paste. So, here you can see a DLL file. The link will be on the description. Download it simply. And extract it. Now copy the file. And paste it to the game directory where the files are kept. Now simply start the game. And you will be amazed. The mouse cursor will be working like a charm. Hope you liked our tutorials. Please be with us and also subscribe to inspire. Goodbye.